Can you recover deleted ChatGPT chat? So let's get started. Unfortunately, recovering deleted ChatGPT chats is not possible. So once a chat is deleted, it cannot be restored. All you have to do is, if you want to preserve your chats, then copy important conversations and save them in a document or note taking app. Or you can also simply take screenshots of key parts of your chats and save them for future references. If ChatGPT offers an export features, then you can also export your chat to a file. But without a direct recovery feature, these proactive steps are your best options for saving important conversations. Be mindful of when you are deleting chats. If you are unsure about deleting something, it's better to err on the side of caution and save the chat elsewhere. For long term storage, you can use cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or apps like Notion and Evernote to store important chats. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.